We're already well into September and Q4 is just 3 weeks away. If you don't already know what Q4 is, it's the best time of year for your Shopify sales. As always, I have 3 more winning products for you to sell this month. If you haven't already, be sure to sign up for our winning products notifications. You'll find that linked below. And if you're new here, my name's Alex. I cover all things ecom on this channel, so remember to leave a like and subscribe for more. And with that being said, let's get into the video. All right, let's go over our winning products list for September. So the first winning product that I have for you guys is this multifunctional kitchen organizer that you see in the lower right-hand corner. This product has been featured in quite a few viral videos over the past few months. I've literally seen it everywhere. Well, also uptrending with Google searches. You guys can check the Google Trends data to confirm this. But you can easily take a TikTok product like this one, change your content style and take it to another platform like Facebook or Google Ads where it's typically untapped. Because a lot of times what you guys see on platforms such as TikTok is a lot of the same people selling the same products with the exact same content style, often copying each other's videos in the process. So the audience grows far too used to this and the marketing styles just don't affect them anymore. So you guys can take a product just like that, change your content style to meet a new platform like Facebook ads, and you guys can find an untapped audience that's more inclined to buy your products. There are also a ton of AliExpress listings with high quality videos and images for your brand's content strategy to get you started. The cost of this product is $7.12 with free shipping on AliExpress. And you can sell this product for $29.99 for a profit of $22.87 per sale. That's a profit margin of 76%, so it's a really good product with some really high margins. And the 3 interests I would get started with targeting if you guys are running Facebook ads would be kitchen, food storage, and spicy food. So I have right here a TikTok ad that you guys can use as a reference if you guys want to sell this product, as well as a store that's already selling this product. All right, so right here I have an example TikTok that you guys can use as a reference for your own brand's content strategy. It's a TikTok from Simply Sell Finds. You've probably seen this page many times, and it's one of those Amazon Finds videos with almost 700,000 likes and almost 40,000 shares. So let's go ahead and watch this quick little 14-second video.
Random Amazon finds, it just slap. This gadget lets you neatly organize your spices, vitamins, or medicine bottles and makes the most out of vertical space in your cabinets. Each side easily pulls out and rotates to give you instant access to the bottles and jars you need, and the best part is there's no assembly required. Random.
All right, quick little video, very informative, does a great job explaining what this product does and making the users want to purchase it for themselves. All right, so right here we have an example store that's already selling this product, and right away we have the 10% off coupon code for your email and your name to activate the discount to collect their emails. I really like that right away. But they're just a general store, obviously not the highest quality website. It's a little too flashy for me, honestly, with like all of these promotions, the moving add to cart button, 60 left in stock. Trust badges are cool. I like the video right here that they include the YouTube video at the top of their page, basically giving them a demo video walkthrough of this product and explaining everything that it does. More information right here with bullet points, but it's just a very boring description. It's not really, eye-catching. It doesn't really compel the reader to keep reading and scroll to the bottom of the page. If we keep going, there's no reviews on here. So I would definitely import some reviews to get started to promote the customer trust, because they have a ton of apps on here, like the 34 sold in the last 5 hours. It's on sale, buy more, pay less with the quantity breaks right here. The moving add to cart button, the scarcity tactics, 60 left in stock, trust badges. So they have a lot of trust building elements on here, but a lot of times what that does when you have too many is it actually takes away from trust. All right, product number 2 is the portable roll-up pet bowl. Now there are so many different variations of this product on the market, but this is just the newest variation and it's already outperforming all of the rest, so I thought I'd include it in this video. Portable pet products are always performing well. This is just another variation of the viral fold-up pet bowl that we've already seen. This time it contains 2 bowls, one for food and the other for water. Unless you want 2 for water, 2 for food, it really doesn't matter. And it rolls up into a to-go bag. AliExpress products contain a lot of video content for gifts on your website and your product pages, and it has a lot of potential with pet owners on TikTok. This product costs $3.35 with free shipping on AliExpress, and you guys can sell it for $29.99 for a profit of $26.64 per sale and a profit margin of 89%. So another great product with really high margins that will perform well. If you guys want to start testing this on Facebook, the 3 interests I would use to get started would be dog food, dog walking, and I love my dogs. And then let's go over really quickly 2 example stores that are already selling this product and what we can improve on for our own. Alright, so we have this same product from Affection Pets. What I don't like already is there's too much going on this page. You guys have the notifications tab up here as well as the spin to win tab down here. You guys have the messaging tab in the right hand corner, and I already saw a few product page pop-ups of people that recently purchased this product in the lower left hand corner. So there's just too much pop-ups and too much going on with this store already. But what I like about this is that they are branding this as a pet bowl instead of a dog bowl or a cat bowl. You guys can reach a wider audience that way. They have some high quality content of their product right here. I would include a little more branding, maybe Photoshop your logo on there. And you guys can see right here, that is that pop-up message I was already talking about. There's just way too much going on with this store. So if we keep going, they have the free shipping over $30 at the top to increase their average order value, because this product right here is $19.99, so you'd have to spend an extra $10 to get that free shipping. You guys can order within 12 hours for dispatch today. You guys can receive your product between September 9th and the 11th. So it looks like they're actually holding their own inventory, or they have a shipping partner with really fast shipping speeds. They have their trust badges down here. Now we have the actual description. Looks like just your basic AliExpress description copied with the specifications, what's in the package. There's really not much included. Once again, just your basic AliExpress images, portable pet bowl. I would definitely want to include your logo on that instead. We keep going to the bottom, they don't have any reviews, and the footer of the website's a little bit messy. So there's a ton that I would improve on this product page right here. All right, once again, we have this same product, but this time from Maxbone, and we have the pop-up already right away. Want 10% off your order? Go ahead and enter your email address right here. So this website already looks so much cleaner. I already like this website so much better, as well as this product page. You guys can see they actually branded this product the Go Portable Bowls. You guys can see they have 3 different color options right here, all with high quality product images and high quality content below. They have their features right here listed at the top, as well as the interest-free payments. If we keep going, they have description, sizing, some customer testimonials, their upsells, which is their similar and related products, and then they have their customer review section at the bottom, and then another section to collect customer emails. So I really like this product page so much better than the last one, and there's so much that you guys can learn from using this. All right, product number 3 is the double-sided glass cleaner. This product has gone viral this week on TikTok, hitting some peak interest on Google Trends, and it also solves a real problem, cleaning high-rise windows when you guys don't want to fall out of them. The cost is $12.63 on AliExpress. You guys can sell this product for $39.99 for a profit of $27.36 per sale with a profit margin of 68%. So still a really good product. It still has higher margins, not as much as the other 2 products. But the 3 interests you guys can get started with targeting on Facebook ads would be penthouse, apartment, hotel, and housekeeping. So really quickly, I want to show you guys the viral TikTok that I actually found when I was doing product research to actually make me want to include this product. Okay, so these are the double-sided window cleaners that we were just talking about. This video was posted on August 29th, just a little over a week ago, and it has 1.1 million likes, over 2,000 comments, almost 20,000 shares, and if we look, it has 30 million views. So let's go ahead and watch this video and see the aspects that actually made it go viral. So you guys can see, super simple tutorial. Video production took minimal effort. You guys can easily recreate this video yourselves. The only problem is you guys have to find a high-rise window just like this one, but hopefully it's no effort to you. You now have 3 new winning products to test going into Q4. If this video helped you out, remember to leave a like, share with others, and subscribe for more. I also have our winning products notifications linked down below. Be sure to sign up for that. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.